Father, preparations are complete.
If we time this right, the waters will devastate them.
Father, when the battle is over, could you please teach me to play Go?
Sure. That sounds like it would be very enjoyable indeed. All right, let's move. We'll flood Fawn Castle with a water attack. Hold the front. Keep strict watch over the floodgates.
Good luck if you think you can break through our defenses.
This isn't looking good. Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
Enemy defeated.
It's over already.
Enemy defeated.
Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
The river's gonna overflow any second now!
Waters of war, rush forth to devour Fawn Castle! Now's our chance. All units advance on Fawn Castle.
I will defend this castle if it's the last thing I do. Prepare yourself.
You're truly a hero of our times.
Is this how I'm to meet my end?
Enemy defeated.
The end is near!
Prepare yourself. I'll strike you with all my might. Oh, fearsome warrior.
Show me what you've got, Peng Day.
Still have plenty of spirit left to take care of you.
Prepare to attack! Follow me!
So, this battlefield is to serve as my tomb.
Enemy defeated.
These boats are our path to glory! Charge!
Here I am, everyone. Xu Huang has arrived.
It's been too long, Xu Huang. I'm glad to see you came.
You're a good friend, but as an opponent of Wei, you're also my enemy.
Fair enough. Then let us express our mutual respect through battle.
And as true friends, provide each other a real challenge. Warriors should fight with honor. Fly like the wind. This battle is ours.
Such impressive skill!
Is this how the warrior's path is to end?
Enemy defeated.
Courage should get us through this.
This should prove to be interesting.
Roar, Blue Dragon!
Nothing like the chaos of the land.
Enemy defeated. Fawn Castle has fallen to our forces. We overcame the courage of Cao Ren and the wisdom of Lu Meng. I must thank all of you for your hard work. Brother is in charge of defending Shu, while I have been placed in charge of Jing. If we can combine our efforts, the unification of the land is within sight. Now is the time for us to create a world ruled by virtue.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is known in one kingdom for remarkable intellect.